Hi, welcome, and I'm here to talk to you about how to make money in real estate even if you have $0. I know what you're thinking. How is that possible? Well, it's actually not as difficult as you might think. There are a number of ways to get started in real estate investing with no money down. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 of the most popular strategies. Strategy 1. Hard money lenders. Hard money lenders are private investors who provide loans to real estate investors. They typically require a much smaller down payment than traditional lenders, sometimes as little as 10%. However, hard money loans also come with higher interest rates and fees. So it's important to do your research before you choose this option. Strategy 2. Private money lenders. Private money lenders are individuals or groups who invest their own money in real estate loans. They typically offer more flexible terms than hard money lenders, but they may still require a down payment. To find a private money lender, you can ask your real estate agent or network with other real estate investors. Strategy 3. Wholesaling. Wholesaling is a great way to get started in real estate investing with no money down. As a wholesaler, you find properties that are underpriced and then sell them to other investors for a profit. You don't actually have to own the property yourself. You just need to find a motivated seller and then find an investor who is willing to pay more than you did. Strategy 4. Equity partnerships. An equity partnership is an agreement between 2 or more investors to share the profits and losses of a real estate investment. This is a good option if you don't have enough money to invest on your own. You can partner with someone who has more money, and you'll both share in the profits. Strategy 5. House hacking. House hacking is a strategy where you live in a property that you also rent out to other tenants. This allows you to use the rental income to offset your mortgage payments, so you can essentially live for free. House hacking is a great way to get started in real estate investing with no money down. It's also a great way to build equity in your property over time. These are just a few of the many ways to make money in real estate even if you have $0. The most important thing is to do your research and find a strategy that is right for you. If you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. Additional tips. In addition to the strategies I mentioned above, here are a few additional tips for making money in real estate with no money down. Get creative. There are many ways to make money in real estate, so don't be afraid to think outside the box. Network with other investors. This is a great way to learn from others and find deals. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful real estate investing business. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. I hope this video has inspired you to start your own real estate investing journey. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve financial freedom through real estate. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your real estate investing journey.